Hello friends, it's Ritesh and welcome in a new video, and it is a live stream video. So I welcome you guys to join this live stream, and in this video I'm going to scrap multiple websites using BeautifulSoup in Python. So before we get started, let us have a very quick Q&A. Sorry. Okay. So wait, I'm not joined by too much people now. Okay. So guys, please comment and ask any question if you like, and I have a mobile phone and I want you to ask questions. Okay, so I have no question now. Okay, someone has commented hi there, nature words. Hello nature words, hello. Hi. Okay, so let us get joined by so much people, then I will start the video. I'm waiting for at least 1 minute. Anjali Morla, hello, says hello Anjali, I'm here as always. So wait for a minute, wait for a second, let us join by some people. Okay, so give me a minute guys, I'm ready. And in this video I'm going to scrap, means extract data from various websites available on the internet. Okay, that's fine, because there is a lot need of scrapping. Programmers use scrapping, and I'm going to show you a live demo of it. Here it is. For example, this is a program and I am opening my command prompt here and calling python response.py, and now it will ask for a query. Wait a minute.
Say something.
Okay, I didn't say something, that's why it threw an error.
Say something.
What is programming? So I just asked a question, what is programming?
Searching for what you said. What is programming?
And now it is searching for programming. Okay, so it is searching from this website, and now it will respond me with text. Sorry, with text to
Programming
speech.
is the process of taking an algorithm and encoding it into a notation, a programming language, so that it can be executed by a computer. Although many programming languages and many different types of computers exist, the important first step is the need to have a solution. Without an algorithm, there can be no program.
So that's a simple step on to show how our program will work. Okay, so let us start making this video and let us get joined by various people. Okay, so I'm closing this and coming to desktop, my refreshing my this and opening a new Python window, idle window. Okay, so what I'm going to need is, first I'm going to need BeautifulSoup, and and then speech recognition Python module. So open your command prompt simply, and now hit pip install. What we are going to need: BeautifulSoup 4. BeautifulSoup 4. Okay, 4. It was perhaps 4. Let us see if any error. Okay, so my requirement has already been satisfied, and now I'm gonna install what is speech recognition. Okay, so these are two dependencies on which I'm working right now, and one thing to note that I'm gonna use Piglet for playing the audio directly from the terminal. But if you don't know how to use Piglet, or if you see a lot of error during installation of Piglet, you can use simply calling by os.system. I will explain that in a bit. Okay, so our requirement has been installed, and now I'm going to explain everything whatever we will be needing. Okay, so first I'm going to import BeautifulSoup from BS4. Wow. So from BS4 import BeautifulSoup. Okay, so I'm importing the BeautifulSoup from BS4, which means a package from BeautifulSoup. Okay, so perhaps it was with capital letters. BeautifulSoup, and I'm gonna import the request modules and import speech underscore, it was small, speech underscore recognition as SR. Okay, so that's all we need to import, and after some time I will be importing Speak, which is a program which has not been creating yet, and in this video I will be using two programs named Speak, and in this will be named as assistant, not assistant, or any other name I will be thinking after making it. Okay, so now as usual we can say that r equals sr dot recognizer. So it is calling the recognizer function of the SR class in the speech recognition module. That's fine. And then we can say that with SR dot microphone, as source, it means it is using the microphone function of the SR class as source for recording our voice. Okay, that's good. With sr.microphone as source, and then we gonna say that print say something. Okay, and then closing of line, breaking of line. Then audio will be equal to our dot listen, and it will listen from the source as always, its source as always, and then print we have done hearing. Okay, so then text will be equal to r dot recognize underscore Google. So it means our text will be the recognized sound from Google. That's fine, and it will recognize our audio because the recognize underscore Google function of the R class takes one parameter named as audio. means it takes an audio file, sorry. Then we can say that print what we have said. You said plus slash n means breaking of line plus txt. Then what is going to be our URL? Means it is going to search from google.co.in. I'm showing you where it is going to search. Okay, so let us say Python. I didn't say Python, but it was something. So it is searching from this URL. So from the query, copy this and paste it here. It should be in quotation marks. Okay, and our URL will be the Google search URL plus our text. It means it will search our text from google.co.in as in India, but you can also say google.com or any other country, that will work fine. Okay, so then I can call the speak function, which I have not created yet, but I will be creating in this video. So speak.tts, it will say that searching for what you said plus slash and plus text, means whatever we will say. I just stuck at that. Whatever we will be saying, it will say that I am searching from this for this on the internet, means I am searching for this text on the internet. Okay, then we can say that response equals requests dot get. It means it is getting the URL from the request function. Okay, make some space. Then we will, now I'm gonna use BeautifulSoup for scraping, means for making extracting that URL from for further use. I will be showing everything. Okay, so our soup will be equal to BeautifulSoup and it will consist of response.txt. Response.text means the text from the response, and it is using LXML for performing. Means you can, if you don't know about BeautifulSoup, you can just say like BeautifulSoup for Python, and here it is a very good documentation you can see there. Okay, so now everything works fine. Soup equals, I was just watching, seeing if there was any error, but I found that. Okay, so let us search for a query as I did earlier. This is, let us say it Python or anything. So this is the first URL, and I'm gonna inspect this for seeing what it is, means the first URL, what is the class of the first URL. Okay, if you know the basic HTML, you can say that its class is R, means it is of class R, and it is an A, means it is a link, it is an anchor tag. If you know the basic of HTML, you can clearly say that its class is R and it is an anchor tag. So now what I'm going to do is I will be extracting only the first URL from the a set of results of the Google search, and then use that URL as an input for next soup, and from that I will be printing a set of paragraphs as a response. So that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so for getting only first URL from a Google search, I'm saying that I will be using a for loop, as you can see here. Okay, so for item or anything in soup dot select, and if you want to select only particular classes and tags of any tag, what was that? Okay, not at all, a Java version available. Okay, so if you want to select only some paragraphs of HTML documents, you can say that soup.select, and what you are going to select is or means it is an element of our class, and it is an anchor tag. Okay, so for item in soup.select r and a, what I'm going to do that final URL equals item dot get. I'm not getting, wait a minute please. Let me see if everything works fine. So guys, please comment, I'm waiting for. Maulik Chaturvedi cannot hear me, sorry for that. I know my board exam is on my head and I will be studying soon. Okay, sorry Maulik if you cannot hear me, but I'm gonna create this video. Okay, so f URL equals item dot get, and what it will be getting is href. Okay, so it will get the href, and then my URL will be equal to, or you can use any other variable, and it will be equal to f underscore URL dot replace. It will replace, what it will be replacing is f URL, and then it will be replacing from its 7th string to nothing. Okay, so why I am doing this? Wait a minute, I am commenting this and say here break, and now I am printing f underscore URL. So now I have to comment this out because I have not created speak yet, so I'm saving it on desktop as test.py, and now I'm running this and showing why I'm doing this. Okay, and run this. Someone said my voice is not audible. Let me check a minute please. Comment this out because I have not it is audible. Okay, so from BS4 it cannot import BeautifulSoup. What is this error? BUAVE. Wow, I just forgot the spell of BeautifulSoup. B. Okay, now run again. No, once again I just not commented this. Why? I will be creating a speak module soon in this video. Okay, Python. So I said Python and FURL is not defined. I just tab and then break. Okay, now run that and let us see what happens. I'm getting a lot of errors. Python. I said Python, that's fine. It doesn't printed, why the hell? FURL will be equal to, not at all. I'm gonna use this and I will be showing after that sometime. Okay, so remove all that. Wait a minute, bro. Okay, so now where it is gone, finally here it is. My URL will again be my URL dot is split. It will be splitted as, where it is gone, from the AND function. Okay, and after that my URL will be equal to my URL, or you can say that my URL plus, not plus, that's not fine. Okay, I just saved that and then I will break the statement, means break the loop. Okay, so then final text will be equal to, not final text, but I'm saying that we can say that print, wow, SCR is searching from. Is my voice audible or not? Please comment and tell me whether it is or not. Searching from this URL and it will be my URL plus my I'm getting a lot of typing errors, not at all. Okay, so then final response will be, final response equals request dot get. It will get the my URL. You can see that I'm just repeating the following steps because I'm using it again. I'm again means extracting or scraping the results so that I can get a better response. That's fine. And F response will be this, and F underscore soup will be equal to, again I'm just gonna copy that, beautiful soup response dot text. It will be F underscore response dot text. Okay, then again for item in F underscore soup underscore F underscore soup dot find underscore all. It will, so why I'm doing this here, because there will be a lot of paragraphs on that page. I'm gonna print only the first paragraph. As you can see that the item will be, means item is selected from a set of funnel soup from the second URL, means the first URL got by the, where it was, from the Google search, and then it will be printed like this. Okay, so then finally raw underscore text equals item, then I will break the loop, and then text equals raw underscore text dot get text. It means it will get only the text from the raw text. It will consist of like /b or /p etc, but it will get only the exact text. that's all. So then I'm going to print text, and that's all. Okay, so, and you can finally say that I'm commenting this because I have not created yet speak.tts text, and our language will be en. So save it and run it. F response. Okay, let me close this one and run it again. Till then I'm checking something. Okay, hi Pawni PSS and Maulik Chaturvedi, you can contact me. I will be posting a link in the means in a Twitter link. I don't have Facebook or Instagram. I don't like wasting time there. So sorry for that, but I'm on Twitter. I'm active every day, and I have also posted my email link in my about page of my account, means my YouTube channel. You can see there. And Pawni PSS is commenting, it is clear, and thanks Pawni PSS. And if you like this video, please like that, hit that like button, and also if you can ask any question, I will be happy to happy to explain your questions or answer your questions. Okay, so Maulik Chaturvedi, you can contact me on Twitter, as well as my email ID is given on my about page, and I will be posting a Twitter link, or in this video I also have the Twitter link. Yeah, it is there, you can see that. And you can also support me on Patreon if you want to donate me something. And it is throwing the error because I did not say anything, and I'm gonna run that again and see the output with you. Okay, it will say something. Python. Wow, what the hell, I didn't say something, and it's gonna throw again. Python. Okay, I said Python, and then it name my URL is not defined. Okay, where is not defined? First, it is the first part, and why it says it is not defined. Let us see again and what happens. Python. Print something from. Okay, I'm seeing some errors here. Let me check that. I'm already defining it here, my URL, but it is saying that my URL is not defined. Okay, let us see. I'm gonna see some stuff here. Hope everything works fine. I just lost my, sorry for that, my mobile was. Okay, I'm gonna check if everything is fine or not. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna copy both of this on my desktop. Sorry for that, guys. I don't know why I'm getting so much errors. So it is the same as my URL will be this. Not at all. I'm gonna close that. So here it is, and then my URL is this. Then I have written already all those, and I'm now opening the speak means speak program. Okay, so as you can see that I'm using GTTS for means and Pony PSS is saying thank you for taking this topic, and I'm thanking you all for your support, guys. Please support and keep supporting me. Okay, so from GTTS I am importing GTTS, and this is a simple speech to text program. And if you don't have Piglet, means you are getting a lot of errors on Piglet, you can simply call this function, and I'm uncommenting that, means not, and commenting all this. Okay, and saving that, and now I'm gonna run this program. Where has it gone? It is here. Not okay. Yep.
Say something.
I didn't say something. Oh, I said say something. Not at all. There is some error.
Searching for what you said. Say something.
Stop, please stop. I'm gonna. So as you can see that it is opening the default music player from my PC. So that's why I'm using this function. The system function calls the temp.mp3, means this file, and this file will be opened by the default media player of your computer. Okay, so I'm gonna close, not here it is, and now I'm gonna run it again and see what happens this time. I'm gonna say something. Okay, again it is calling that.
Say something.
I just changed that, or I didn't save that. I'm gonna close this one. Wow, I didn't save that. So now it has all been, and now I'm going to open my terminal, because terminal is best, command prompt is best, and I'm changing. You can see that I got a lot of errors there, so I'm changing my directory to here, and I'm calling python response.py. Okay, so let us see what happens. It's already 15.
Say something.
What is BeautifulSoup?
Searching for what you said. What is BeautifulSoup?
What is BeautifulSoup? So it is searching for whatever I said, and it is searching from this URL. That's fine. And now you can see the results from yourself.
BeautifulSoup is a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files. It works with your favorite parser to provide idiomatic ways of navigating, searching, and modifying the parse tree. It commonly saves programmers hours or days of work.
The anonymous is saying, hey, hi anonymous, I don't know who you are, as your name is saying anonymous. Okay, nature words, hey, hi again nature words. Okay, so as you can see that this program is working fine. Okay, so this is the response. So guys, I just created this for only for showing this the use of beautiful soap, and everything has been done very well. I just lost my earphone. Here it is. So now if you want to ask me any question, you can ask me here, and I'm gonna wait till 5 minutes. Okay, it's saying anonymous. Okay, I'm gonna wait till 5 minutes. Congrats. Maulik Chaturvedi is saying congrats, finally worked. Thank Maulik, and congrats to you, and I'm very glad to hear that your program is working. Please ask questions guys, I'm waiting for only your questions now. I know I have a less subscriber, that's why the rate of comment is very low. So that's fine, everything is going fine. So as you can see that I'm gonna show you some other examples, like opening CM and changing my directory to desktop, and then calling python response.py, and let us see what happens. It is taking a lot of time.
Say something.
I didn't say something. Pony PSS is saying, can we fetch data from multiple websites the same definition? Yes, we can do that, and it's not very tough. We can create multiple web scrapers at the same time from single program. Okay, and Maulik Chaturvedi is asking, describe concept of web scraping once again please. So Maulik, web scraping is a phenomenon, and it involves extracting data directly from the internet, means from any website on the internet, and this is very useful for programmers as well as coders, because this helps them getting the real-time data very quickly. And web scraping is done mostly by BeautifulSoup in Python, because BeautifulSoup is a very good framework for scraping or extracting data online. You can also scrap or extract multiple images from the internet, from the web. Okay. Okay, so and now Pony PSS is asking, the program is pulling from one website in the program you showed. Yes, it is scraping, means as you can see it is taking a lot of I'm gonna show you again. The program is here, so you can see that after here it is getting only the first URL of all those. You can say that my URL equals the first my URL, and then here it will be my URL will be none, and instead of calling it my URL plus equals my URL, means the first my URL is nothing, but after that it is a lot of my URL, and you can call now as this, and it will search from multiple websites. Let us see. I know it will throw an error, because to make it a parallel programming you need a lot of stuffs.
Say something.
What is BeautifulSoup? Thanks Maulik Chaturvedi, good to see you at my channel, and have a nice day, not day, good night.
Searching for what you said. What is beautiful soup?
So it is searching from this URL, means it is from multiple URLs, so that's why we are getting this error. So we can scrap from multiple websites, and I will be posting a video on that soon. Okay, because as you can see here live, it is throwing a lot of error. And please note that our program is working like an Google Assistant does. I'm showing a live demo. For example, I'm calling through my mobile. What is beautiful soup in this mobile phone?
These are the top results.
What is beautiful soup?
According to Wikipedia, beautiful soup is a Python package for parsing HTML and XML documents.
So as we get the response from our program in the same way Google Assistant works. So that's why I made this video. Okay, so everything is fine. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, and also share this video to as much people as you can. Bye bye, and have a nice day, dear. I'm now